Hi everybody, if you are doing language arts, you should be here, 2020, semester 2, Rodriguez Language Arts. When you scroll down, you'll see April 20th, that's today, day 1 because it's Monday. And for your opening, you should have gone and watched my homeroom video, okay? So I have a homeroom video up. For your mini lesson, if you've already watched the homeroom video, you're on the mini lesson, your mini lesson is to watch Miss Rodriguez's YouTube video named Trash and Recycling. So if you're on this video, you're doing good, okay? We are going to be comparing and contrasting one author's presentation of events with another. So we're going to be looking at two articles on ReadWorks and then be discussing how both of those articles are different and similar. So you'll go to ReadWorks today. And your assignment should say trash and recycling, okay? It's the only new one on there. So you're going to click trash and recycling, and then you're going to click passages, okay? You have 2 passages to read. So you're going to do too much trash, and it comes with a read aloud, okay? And you're going to read all of this. And then you're going to read a ton of trash, which is another read aloud, okay? Has another read aloud on it. Then you'll click question sets and you'll answer 6 questions, okay? You have to read both passages in order to answer the questions correctly, all right? So we're going to get through that. We're going to finish that today and tomorrow, okay? So if you want to finish it today, if you want to finish it tomorrow, that's fine, but we're only going to be doing this for today and tomorrow, okay? So you're reading both passages and then you're doing the questions, okay? Let's do it.